I made $5,000 technically in 1 hour. So last month, I made this YouTube video about risk, and the entire process took me roughly 8 hours from scripting to filming to editing and finally publishing the video. The next morning, I got a meeting request from a Muslim brother, actually a revert, a high-profile business owner who wanted to launch a YouTube channel. During the call, he shared his story with me. After embracing Islam, his life had transformed in ways he never expected. He told me that now more than anything, he wanted to leave a positive impact before he meets Allah and presents his case. He believed YouTube was the way to do that. But there was a problem. He actually tried YouTube 13 years ago and it didn't work out. Then life got in the way for 13 years. So we sat together and I spent that hour really digging into his situation. As we talked, I identified his biggest bottleneck, the thing that was actually stopping him. Then we created a step-by-step roadmap that would take him from where he was to where he wanted to be. I guided him through each phase, explained what he needed to focus on, and by the end of that hour, we had a complete plan. But, and this is important, there's a fundamental principle that if you understand it and apply it correctly, your chances of success will be much higher. And I'm telling you, Akhi, I'm not the smartest and I don't have some secret knowledge that nobody else has. I just solve a problem online that most people and businesses do offline. Many Muslims understand it intellectually, but struggle to implement in their lives. And this drives me crazy, bro. You guys need to understand that you have access to opportunities that most of the world doesn't have. Yet, so many of you don't realize the value of what you have. Or maybe you do realize it, but you're still waiting for the perfect moment to start. You wanna know the truth? You're not gonna like it. That perfect moment is never coming. And I can say this with 100% certainty because I've been doing this for 6 years now. And I've never, not even a single day in those 6 years, found the perfect moment for making videos. Some days I wake up with chronic back pain. Other days I get migraines. The gears break at the worst times, like when I dropped my brand new mic from 6 feet and had to send it for repair while I was complete broke. And if I had waited for perfect conditions, I would still be waiting instead of talking to you about a $5,000 deal I just closed. And what hurts me more is that if you go on YouTube and search for Islamic content, you'll find millions of lectures, reminders, debates. Alhamdulillah, we made those, but we have other problems too. Problems that are not being addressed. And who's going to solve them? I'm going to create a scenario here. Let's say I just moved to the USA and I want to start a halal business. So I search how to create an LLC to start a business on YouTube. And what do I find? Only non-Muslim lawyers explaining the process. I have no option other than to contact those guys. Where are the Muslim lawyers? They exist, I know they do, but they are invisible. Now, if you're watching this and you're still not feeling inspired, I get it. That's completely fine. We humans are naturally wired to seek comfort and avoid difficult situations. That's why we are promised Jannah. You need to act now rather than wait for things to get easier. Pick up your phone. Contribute to solving a problem that Muslims are facing. Solve it online through a video. When I published that video, I never imagined that someone would watch it and book a $5,000 deal with me. Now, if you want me to literally grab your hand, yes, I know that sounds gay, but I will do it anyway so that you can launch a successful YouTube channel and also a sadaqah jariyah for the ummah. Then click the first link in the description. And if you still didn't sign up, then I will find you and I will kill you. Nah, just kidding. Allah Mubarak.